Hey everybody, welcome back to Chef Dawg. Now remember, here at Chef Dawg, we review Costco food, we show you how we make it, and then we taste it at the end. And again, sometimes that gets exciting, especially with my family. Today, this is the roast turkey breast with sausage, cornbread stuffing, and cranberry apple. I'm gonna go chutney glaze, whatever a chutney glaze is. Got this at Costco today, $20.61. It looked delicious, and in the spirit of Thanksgiving, which is next week, thought, well, this will be a fun one. This is what it comes in. You don't cook it in that, it said. But there you go. So a turkey breast, and it's stuffed with juice, and then it has this glaze. So the instructions say, heat that in a pan for a couple of minutes, cook this in the oven at 375 for about an hour to an hour and 10 minutes. We're gonna put that in there for an hour and 15 minutes, make sure it's thoroughly cooked. Get a pan, I'm gonna take this and cut it open and get the juices out. It says now is to just cover it in tin foil. I can do that. 375 for an hour and 15 minutes. Okay, well, we'll be back in an hour and 15 minutes. It's been in there, I think, long enough. I did it for an hour and 10 minutes. Okay, so it says now, wanna let it rest for about 10 minutes. So while it's doing that, I'm gonna cook the sauce and get that ready to pour over the top of it. But you can see this is how it's turned out so far. The juices in the bottom look like they've burnt to the pan, so I hope that's okay. The turkey itself, it seems like a little dry on top, but hopefully it's nice and moist in the middle. So I'll put this back on. We'll let it rest here for a minute while I get this ready. All right, now we're gonna take this apple glaze, is what they call it, and all we need to do is heat it up in a pan. So as usual, I'm gonna spray some bacon oil on it. Remember, this stuff, all we're gonna do is heat it up. Looks like we got little cranberries, we got beans. It smells super good. It's kind of hard to describe what that is, but I like the smell. So if it tastes like it smells, I'm gonna like it. It has a lot, it seems like a lot of flavor in there. I think I did. I put it on medium, cooked it for about 2 minutes, just like it said. I tasted some of this, super delicious. Very sweet, lots and lots of flavor. I'll put that over the top here. There is my stuffed turkey breast. Now we're gonna give that thing a shot. So we got our stuffing, chicken, everything looks cooked to me. No pink in there. See how that looks right there? A little salt, pepper, and then let's give this thing a try. So the time I cooked it was plenty. I'm gonna get some of that stuffing. It's good stuffing, I like it. I recommend it. Got a lot of flavor with that. That stuffing tastes just like stuffing should, you know. I think the stuffing tastes great. Is it the best thing I've ever had? No. Took me about an hour, a little over an hour to make, and there you go. You know, voila. That'll feed a lot of folks right there. I would say it's worthy of a dinner. If I were to give it a rating on the turkey, it's maybe a little too dry or a little drier than I would want it to be. Again, maybe I cooked it a little too long. Okay, Miss Brecklin, good to have my daughter here. Ew. Tell me what you think.
Ew.
Come and try it. That's stuffing, and there's turkey. Give it a shot. Have some of the stuffing, a little bit of turkey. Would an 11-year-old eat this for dinner? She was going for the garbage can. I think it's a decent meal. If I were to give it a rating between 1 and 10, probably right around I'm gonna say a 7. Everybody, thanks for watching Chef Dawg. I hope you enjoy these videos. If you do, keep coming back and watching them, binge watch them. We're gonna be bringing out some more Thanksgiving stuff this week. So, you know, again, I hope you guys have a good holiday season, and we'll see you later. Have a good one, bye.